Triceratops is stringing light. T-Rex bakes cookies but takes big bites. Velociraptors skate on ice. They're throwing snowballs.
Not once, but twice.
Dinos dance around the Christmas tree, swinging their tails so merrily, stomping feet to a jingle beat. Santasaurus bringing dino treats. Roll! It's a Dino Christmas night. Claws, Stego spins with jingle jaws. Dinos laugh and twirl around. It's Christmas fun in Dino Town. Dinos dance around the Christmas tree, swinging their tails so merrily. Roll! It's a Dino Christmas night. Stomp, stomp, roar, good night.
We saw dinosaurs coming through Christmas Town earlier, so you know what that means? We gotta find the egg.
That's right. So we got to take a Christmas dinosaur egg, right?
Right.
To hatch a dinosaur, but we got to find it first.
Let's go.
Let's go into Christmas Town. So let's see, where should we go first? We go inside the house?
Nothing in here.
So this is Santa's house, right?
Yeah.
Nothing there. All right. There's waffles.
The entrance. Waffles.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at, she found a giant stick.
Oh, Waffles, you found a stick?
Waffles, is this your stick? Did I throw it for her to get it?
I don't think so. We gotta find that egg. All right, Waffles, let's go see if we can find those dinosaur eggs.
Mickey!
Oh, so here's Mickey playing his Christmas piano.
Christmas piano and Minnie. Whoa, Minnie.
Minnie, you gotta sit up. Right there. There's Minnie. She must be
Just
tired.
wants to watch, I guess. Wait, down here.
It's a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Waffles, look at this dinosaur. We can probably pick up a stick for you.
Waffles, what do you think?
Let's see, Waffles, ready? You want the stick?
I think it.
Oh, we got to a leaf.
Waffles, what do you think? Do you like it? Have it walk toward Waffles and see what she does.
Says no, thank you.
Yeah, I don't think she likes like real dinosaurs. Do you?
Nah. Ready? It's gonna pick up some leaves.
Oh yeah. Okay, show me. Oh, it did have one in its mouth. It's kind of hard to see because it's in the sun. Whoa.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, that's not an egg. Waffles, you found a stick. Should we look inside your playhouse?
Yeah.
Nothing in here yet. It's not
No,
just you're
not
gonna have to
Christmas
decorate
yet.
it for Christmas.
I know. I need to get on that.
So did you see the dinosaur? I'm surprised it went through Christmas Town.
I know. Like maybe it should go to like St. Patrick's Day town or something.
Wow. I've never seen. We've never had a St. Patrick's Day town. Maybe we should.
I'm not seeing it much.
No. Are you excited for Christmas?
Oh, I'm so excited. So is Waffles.
What do
this
you
is
want
her.
for Christmas?
What is this? This is her third ever Christmas with
I
us.
think it is our third Christmas. Waffles, what do you want for Christmas?
It says more sticks.
More sticks. So what do you want?
I like Jellycat.
Jellycats, huh?
Jellycats are great.
People all live. You ever seen
I got a potato recently. Oh, there's a bee right there. Cause
flew away. So I think these might be camellias. I think they might attract dinosaurs.
there's ants on this one.
Oh yeah, there's ants. They're not ants in your pants, they're ants in your flower.
I see 1, 2.
I don't know if I can get them in focus.
I see 2 ants.
Okay. I don't think we can get them
How'd they
in focus.
get up there? Must have taken a long journey
Yeah, it could be.
from the colony.
They might like the pollen in the flower too. Not just bees like pollen, but lots of animals.
Waffles is looking around still.
Waffles, you can't go outside of Christmas Town.
Can't venture into the forest where the Grinch is.
So, assistant, you know what she's looking for, don't you? Her nemesis.
Who's her nemesis?
Squirrels! Look at all the acorns down on the ground that they
Oh
crack.
yeah. I think
See,
I
look.
always see them on this tree right here.
So acorns come out of oak trees. I think it's really, really hard to see it.
I'm sure there's a nest up there somewhere.
So that's an acorn.
And then they have their hats. Here's a hat.
So that's the acorn here. See if you can find a whole acorn when you show the people at home. Well, acorns come from oak trees, right?
This one's a little broken, but...
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, this side's better.
Very cool. All right, well, let's keep looking for those dinosaur eggs.
Okay.
Waffles, what are you rolling in? Waffles, we don't need to roll in stuff. You're getting filthy. Waffles, you just had a bath. You just had a bath. Don't make me have to carry you during the video. So,
Wait, right here!
well, it's a
Triceratops hand. Let's get Waffles with it.
hand puppet. Good job.
Let's get Waffles with it.
Waffles, look what we found. Waffles, look.
Ah! Ah!
What do you think? It's a hand puppet. Look
Ah.
how dirty you are.
Ah!
Do you like it? She wants to pilot high. She wants to play in the leaves again, like that one video.
Oh my goodness. That was a while ago, I think.
That's a week or two ago.
Over here is Santa's workshop.
People home, did you see our animated video of playing in the leaves? It was pretty fun.
Right now she's playing in the acorns.
Alright, so we're still looking for dinosaurs.
Santa. Oh, there's a grasshopper on it.
Oh, really? Where's a grasshopper?
See it? Right there.
That's actually a cricket.
Oh, that's what I meant.
See, cricket. Hi, cricket. Do you like some people eat crickets. You want to eat a cricket?
I think I've had a cricket before. I think I have.
Alright, let's go. Let's keep looking. Alright, so we're over here by Igloo. Oh, look at the penguin.
What's the sign say? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, penguin. That's nice and delicious in here.
Merry Penguinmas. Oh, this is my favorite because I love hot chocolate and cookies.
Oh, with Snoopy.
See, look,
even.
hot chocolate. You know, in London, we didn't have this though. There's like thick hot chocolate that looks really good.
Oh, really?
At that farmer's market. Do you know the one that I'm talking about, the farmer's market in London?
I don't know. We'll have to go sometime though, won't we?
Yes. We couldn't go because it was closed.
Penguin places was closed.
Down here. Whoa, Spidey Rex.
It's Spidey Rex. That's so cool.
Wait a second. Hold on. Open.
Wait a minute. How do you fit me? The sun's really kind of bright like this. Oh, you can't really see me.
Raw Waffles.
Let's go over here. Go back to the phone. Let's see Spidey. Ow! Spidey Rex?
No.
Alright, so let's keep that walking around. So here is our
Candyland.
candy castle.
Candy Castle. And over here,
Tree.
this is our lantern.
It's a snow globe, isn't it? Is there anything inside of it?
No, just a snowman and a Christmas tree. And then a giant Christmas tree.
That is a very big tree.
Yes. But we've reached the end of Christmas Town, but we still have to go through the front.
Yeah, we've got to go into the entrance of Christmas Town. Waffles, let's go. Let's go. Sissy, you could turn right. You didn't go everywhere.
Oh.
Christmas Town's a lot bigger this year.
Oh. I didn't know you could go this way. Ta-da! We've made it to the front.
So here's the front of your playhouse. Is there anything over here?
No.
We gotta find that egg. We saw that T-Rex, didn't we?
You know, going back to Jellycats, any of you people at home, if you live in Chicago, you should get the carrot cake one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why? Because you don't like carrot cake.
I don't particularly like carrot cake, but it's super cute.
So here is Santa.
Take a photo with Santa and his elf.
Oh yeah, photos of Santa and his elf.
But no egg.
No, like, I really like his beard on this one, right? It's like... Wait, dinosaur trying to fight his beard? Spinosaurus Rex.
Okay, one final spot to check.
So this is Rudolph and his sled team, right?
We might need to travel to Halloween Town if we can't find it here.
Yeah. There's Santa, and there's the abominable snowman from Rudolph. You see anything, assistant?
No? Wait, down here.
Where?
What? An egg. It's huge.
Oh, it is a huge egg. Hey, let's go see if we can get it to hatch, okay?
Okay, let's go hatch it. Let's hatch this egg.
Good idea. So how do you hatch it?
First, we gotta undo this at the bottom. Ouch. Perfect.
Ooh, you can hear
Now, when it calls out to you, tap on the side of it 3 times.
it. Do you hear it, people at home?
Wondering, I feel it.
You feel it moving?
Yep, you just keep tapping it. I think it's on this side.
I don't know. So is it trying to come out?
Yeah, it's hatching right now.
People at home, it's starting to shake, isn't it?
Yes. Oh, it's right here.
Look, there, you see it? So this is kind of like an adopting robot on Roblox, right? How those hijackers.
Yeah. And we don't have to spend 39 Robux.
Yeah. These are way cheaper than Roblox. Do you see it right here where it's cracked? What?
The first piece.
Waffles, the egg's hatching.
Waffles, look at this.
Look, it's trying to come out.
There she is. Look at this, Waffles. Look at
We're
this.
hatching a dinosaur egg. She's like, I'll watch it from a distance. Look, the dinosaur's actually starting to hatch.
Oh. Almost done hatching. Oh.
It's got like a little bit of a shell like on its tooth even. So this is the 3rd dinosaur egg that we've actually hatched. We hatched one at the gold mine, one in the Halloween town, and now one here in Christmas town.
I don't know what it's hatched. I think it's hatched.
We need to pull them out of there.
Let's break off some of this more. Got him.
Waffles, what do you think? It's a dinosaur.
Tail yet.
Waffles, do you like your dinosaur?
Roar! Whoa!
I think we scared her.
Yeah.
Waffles, you weren't paying attention to that. You can never turn your back on a dinosaur. That's the #1 rule of Dinosaur Club.
Now, Waffles. If you were to choose between being a dinosaur and a dog, which would you pick?
I think she would choose to be a Shih Tzu still.
Really?
Maybe.
I'd choose, if dinosaurs weren't extinct, I'd probably choose to be a dinosaur.
Yeah. I would choose to be a raven.
A raven?
It's the smartest
Well, then
bird.
if I could pick other stuff, then I'd want to be like maybe Maybe like a giant whale.
Oh, that'd be cool. So, Sister, this is a good segue for our next video on Zootopia.
Woo!
All right, people at home, keep
Thanks for
watching this fun dinosaur video, and what should they do next?
Like and subscribe, but wait, there's another video after this one.
Oh yeah, it's a Dino Christmas time. Triceratops is stringing light. T-Rex bakes cookies but takes big bites. Velociraptors skate on ice. They're throwing snowballs. Not once but twice. Dinos dance around the Christmas tree, swinging their tails so merrily, stomping feet to a jingle beat. Santasaurus bringing dino treats. Roll! It's a Dino Christmas night.